Hello everyone, my name is Manar Al-Said. I'm a PhD student at University of North Texas. I'm majoring in information science, concentrating data science. I am doing small data visualization for customer churn. I'm doing it for one of our courses called Info 5709. I hope you find this presentation useful for you. The statement problem: the faster growing in telecommunication industry, also the strongly competitive marketing, and the customer required high quality services that make the industry suffer from customer churn. Most of the companies right now, they're facing this issue, customer churn. The motivation to fix this issue is losing customer equal losing revenue. Also, finding a new customer is more expensive than keeping the existing customer. So the companies took into consideration the following object: finding the influential factors for the customer churn, developing a developing a classifier to protect the customer churn, follow the analysis recommendation for needed information, develop a relation with the existing customers. The approach of this presentation, the, the analysis has been done in three parts. The first part, identify the principles to minimize the churn rate, which include develop a comprehensive view of customer churn and link it directly to the result. Use a cutting-edge analysis churn. Use a score of microsegments to classification the customers. Introduce edge test and learn process. The second part of the analysis, to identify the critical steps. We are sitting in a mandated for the role of the analysis. We are establishing an analysis center to excellence. We are moving from functional solid to a cross-functional terms. The third part of the analysis is the methodology, which is done by which includes 6 points: business understanding. And here we need to characterize the customers in order to determine the customers and know them better and avoid the churn. Data understanding, and here it's for us to understand the data and develop our hypothesis. Data preparation, which is clean the data, know the attributes, and using certain modeling. And here we come to the modeling, and in the modeling we're going to use several modeling to try to find a solution. Evaluation, after we build the model, we need to evaluate the model, and this step is important to ensure we met the business objectives. Development here, it's more for the customer more than us, the analysis. So it's important for the customer to have full understanding for the modules and for to carry out later on the modules. Okay, the dataset that I have used for this analysis, I used Orange telecommunication churn datasets, and Python have been used to do the analysis. The analysis had done right now with 2 parts: exploratory data analysis and data visualization. I haven't discussed further analysis yet, and this is going to be my next step for this project. Using Python, run it for all the dataset just to have a better understanding what is the dataset. So this is initial data visualization results. This is the customer service calls, how much they call the customer service, and this is the general, and here it's the general information. Okay, and then we use EDA. We use box plot for the churn, total churn, and we can see here. And then based on here, I thought it's important to look into these columns. And by looking at these columns, we did the box plot for these columns: total call in a day, account length, churn, like how much total day charge, total night charge, and we moved on. Okay, based on the previous analysis, I formulated the three hypotheses. The first one, if an area producing more revenue, it is likely to have cheaper package. The second one, if the companies charge more money, then they will face a higher number of customer churn. Then the third hypothesis, the number of calls is higher in the daytime than the nights. Because based on the analysis, the company has been charging differently based on time. So I want to see if that makes any difference. Okay, this is the initial analysis. This is the analysis, sorry. This is the visual analysis, and it's confirmed the first hypothesis. We can see the state where is a cheaper packages, where they are using the cheaper packages, they have more revenue. And this is the visualization analysis for the second hypothesis. The second hypothesis, it's also the results confirmed the second hypothesis. We can see like there's the state where are the state that charge higher money, we see more customer charm. We see more customer charm. Also, I looked here for box plot for the total call in the evening, and here the total call on nights. And there is not significant difference. There is like literally nothing difference. I want to mention that Tableau have been used to support the analysis, just to confirm my code and my analysis, and they both supported my hypothesis and supported my result. This is for the third hypothesis. So the analysis indicates there is a slight difference between the calls and night calls, but it's not that significant. It makes a huge difference. So the companies wouldn't benefit from are like the charging money depend upon the different time frame, makes the customer leave. So there is no benefit from that. It just makes the customer leave. This is my recommendation. It's just general recommendation based on the analysis that companies should provide a good packages with benefit. They should give extra benefit for the existing customer. They shouldn't charge different money upon time. Company but try to encourage the state where is less call by providing them with extra benefits, so they encourage them to do more calls. They try to reduce the amount of money that they charge the other states that higher charge money. As I said before, the future research, I'm planning to do like more Python coding, look to CRM and look to data mining. I could also use the tree decision making to help the the telecommunication industry uh, have better management system and less customer churn. These are my references, and this is the link for the dataset that I used. And thank you so much for watching. And if you have any comment or if you need more information, please write it in the comment. Thank you.